Good morning and welcome back to Christmas Countdown, where we count down the days till Christmas by vlogging every single day. We're currently on the 17th of December, 8 days until Christmas. Rachie-roo?
No, I'm not going out of bed.
Can't I have a cuppa?
Make your own cuppa.
Nothing beats a giant cup of tea first thing in the morning, even if I did have to make it myself. I'm going to sit back, relax, drink this cuppa, have my advent calendar, and probably go online and do the last bit of my Christmas shopping. What's the matter? What's teasing him?
Scared of a bit of housework. Scared.
Hoover, he's going mad. What's the matter?
Resist ammonia. Ah. Doesn't smell nice, does it? Go on then. You're quite well disciplined. Molly would have never done that. Molly would have eaten the table by that time.
In the car, I'm off to go and see Emily and get more snuggles with baby Freya. I can't wait. She is so dinky. I've also popped into Tesco and I've bought them all Christmas jumpers. I love Christmas. I've just been to Emily's. I've had lots and lots of snuggles and now I'm just waiting for the bus to head back to Northallerton. If it ever arrives. It's absolutely freezing out here. I got some more wrapping paper. So pretty, it's got reindeers on it. It's also sparkly and glittery, so it's going to go everywhere. Does anyone else find wrapping presents therapeutic? Because I certainly do, even though I can't wrap for anything. Catch you tomorrow, guys.